guys, Beverly and
Millie
and
Stella.
my babysitter. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're gonna be baking lunch, and we still haven't found out what we're gonna be eating. We're not doing that. We're not big stuff. Okay. Okay, my sister wants peanut butter and jelly. I want to make something, so you guys can come with me and make something. Come in my pantry and we can find something. But I have a whole bunch of stuff. These I might make like something in.
Would you like blueberries?
Yeah. Maybe I can make like some stuff and. Well, let me move this. Maybe some of that. There's like beans and tomatoes and. Let's just see it. I'll figure it out while you can watch my babysitter make some. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I'm putting this way.
Guys, that doesn't seem right. Oh, here we go. Okay, guys, she's baking it. We'll show you at the end.
Can I put the blueberries
Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna make. I think I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. Okay. Got the pan and stuff.
What are you doing?
Got this. Let me ask. Alexa, how do you make scrambled eggs?
Okay, for scrambled eggs, here's a few recipes.
You know how to make scrambled eggs. Okay, can you make them with my? Can you help me to say what to do? Got the eggs. Let's see. Okay. I think I need. There's only one in here. Do we need two? Doing good, guys. Okay.
Can I
If you have a special recipe, ask us.
Can I crack one egg?
Millie, you might get the stuff on it. So no, maybe later. Maybe. Okay, can you tell me how to do it?
Yeah.
Got another egg. Got 2 eggs.
You have to wash them.
Okay. Now what do I do? What do I do?
Your bowl.
Okay.
You can use this bowl. So here I am. And a fork.
I'm gonna use this. I totally didn't do that on purpose. Guys, look. Oopsie daisies. Got my bowl, and I might crack some eggs. Okay, can I crack the? What do I do next? I don't know how to.
Fork. And a fork.
Okay. So then, I have one like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I got four. Got this. So I basically, it looks like I get an eating cereal, except you don't use a fork, you use a spoon. But okay, now what do? I have 2 eggs right here. Okay, guys, so I have eggs, I have my stuff, and I have pan and stuff, and then I have like my whole kitchen. What do I do? Okay, the camera is getting old. Okay. Okay, my sister is all done with her meal. Millie, you want to come over here and show them your meal? Okay. Not the lights. Some blueberries and peanut butter and jelly, and I'm gonna make some eggs. I'm gonna make some eggs. Eggs.
Yeah, I want some milk.
I'm going downstairs, guys.
I want some milk.
Bye.
I want some milk.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming back up. Okay.
Do you want blueberries?
No, I don't like blueberries. Okay, can you tell me how to make these eggs?
Okay, got a bowl.
I got a bowl. Got everything you told me to get.
Okay.
Okay. Where are the chefs? I have the eggs right here. It's on the tree. It's about the baby. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, don't touch that. It's hot.
That's like red hot.
Well, that's just how it looks. It's only on.
It's red. Okay. Now how do we do this? Ow. This is not cleaned.
What is it?
Okay. This is not cleaned.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. Do you see? There's like hairs in there and stuff. Just get a new bowl. Just get a new bowl. No, I want a new bowl. I'm doing that. Just don't want to. You did not get another bowl. Get a new bowl. Okay, she got a new bowl. Okay. I'm just making sure it's not dirty. Okay. What do we do?
Have you ever cracked an egg before?
You never crack.
No, have you? I'll do it.
No. I'll do one, you do one. You do it first. And then I'll do it last. You guys might want to see a mess. This is a mess.
Okay, so you go like this. You hold it like this. And you crack it like that a couple times. And it cracks a little.
How did you not get any shell in it?
Don't hit it really hard. Okay?
So how do you hold it? I don't know anything.
Like that. You just hit it on the side. Do it a little bit. Perfect. Here. Let me do this for a second.
Okay.
Okay, now lightly.
I did it, guys.
Okay, go throw it away.
Yep.
And wash your hands.
Oh, my hands are so gooey. Gee, something smells good. I know. It's fine, whatever. It's broken.
Okay.
Now what do? We crack the eggs, guys. Here, you want to see? Okay, now what do we do now?
Spread them up a little bit.
That's so. You guys.
Here, go like this.
I know what it is. This is Can you show them? Like, show them. Can you show them?
Millie, eat your
Can you,
lunch.
can you
What?
show them? Make sure they can see.
Now, add some milk. I'll do it though.
Okay, then for the milk. Just a little bit. These don't taste good. It's not my fault. I like this doing. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's what it is.
What?
That's what the hotness did to me.
No, it didn't. I saw that on your finger earlier.
It's not on my finger earlier. It's literally about to peel. Guys, should I bite it off? I'm gonna bite it. I know where you live.
You know where I live?
Yeah, I was going to a birthday party and I saw where you live.
Really?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's over by the soccer fields.
Yeah. Whose birthday party are we going to?
Lizzie's. It's Millie's friend, but then it's
Oh.
Millie was invited, but then I had to be a lifeguard. Okay, yeah, guys, go check out that video. Oh yeah, it's not uploaded yet, but in a week it will be uploaded.
Lizzie, Hasseltine?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You want cheese on it?
No.
Just asking.
Okay, now what do? We're waiting.
Yeah.
Last break. Dance break. Dun, 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 dun. Dab break. Dab break. Dab break. Dab break. Dab break. Brush your teeth break. It's hot. That scared me. Do that one more time.
No, that's all I need. Okay. You ready?
Okay, yeah. You can pour. And no, I won't pour it. You watch. guys. It looks disgusting, but actually it's gonna be so yummy. Okay, now what do we do?
Wait, it's cooking.
It's gonna suddenly look like scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs, scrambled eggs. I'm gonna go see what Millie wants. She's eating her lunch. She's coloring.
Oh.
I'll get the milk. Ah, that one looked like it hurt. Okay, guys, I have the milk here. We got the hippo cut. Ah. Sorry, guys. I can't really. I know. That's a bad idea. Okay, I got this, my cup, I got the milk. Let's pour it. Okay, got the milk. Got the milk. Look at that yummy milk. Okay, I'm gonna go give it to my sister.
So nice. Do you want them on a plate or in a bowl?
A bowl. Guys, subscribe if you like it in the bowl. And like this video if you like it on a plate. Subscribe if you like it with a fork. Like if you like it with a spoon. Oh yeah, and definitely subscribe if you like to cut it. If it's like kind of like in a
Like an omelet?
omelet and you cut it. Comment down below if you like scrambled eggs more. Subscribe if you like an omelet more. Very questionable. So I'll give you 5. Actually, I'll give you 10 seconds to do that, and you have to do all that with your pinky finger. We'll do it. Come on. 5, 4. No, I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you did it, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Floss party. Bum, bum. Da, 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 da. I'm going downstairs. Bye, guys. final touch. I'm gonna taste it.
It's gonna be hot.
And I'll blow. That's so good. I'll just eat this all day. Actually, I did eat 2 bowls in the morning. This is my 3rd bowl. she thought it was my 1st bowl. Oh yeah, she goes in Forte. And I go to competition stepping up dance studio. Guys, look, she's putting her chin on my head. Look, she's putting her chin on my head. Okay, guys, I love this. I automatically love this. It's so good. Okay, guys, we're gonna leave you guys, so go check out my other videos. Okay, guys, bye. See you in my next video.